Okay guys, so this is going to be another one of my fast and fabulous DIYs. First off, I have one of these placemats from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see the price is $2.99, but currently 40% off of the $2.99, so it's really inexpensive. Here I have one of my tall cylinder vases that I found at Goodwill. Right now you can find the 7-inch and I think 5 or 6-inch cylinder vases at Dollar Tree. And those would work just as well. Next up, I have this bling that I found at Amazon, and I will link it below. Here's my scissors. First thing I want to do is cut this in half. I want enough to wrap around the top and the bottom. So now I'll take my glue gun, put a little bit of hot glue right on that rectangle. Now I'm going to put this right on top. And I'll continue to add hot glue as I go around. Now I'll do the same thing at the bottom. Okay, just like that. So now I'm going to take my mat and measure how much I need to cut. I want to make sure that it goes all the way around. Okay, and from what I see, it needs to be cut right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my Wicked, stick it, and brush it on to what's going to be the center. So now I'm going to take some of my masking tape and use it to hold this in place. Alright, so I'm rolling and pressing down, and I'm trying to make sure that it's lined up. Press this down. Pull this around. Okay. I'm going to put some tape here. What I want to do is just make sure that this is flat against the glass. Now I'll add some more Wicked Stick It to this cup. And now I'll remove this tape, and then I'll put some Wicked Stick It. You can see it on the inside. Now I'll put some here. Alright, press that down. Pull this down. Press this down. Put this tape back on. Okay guys, so unfortunately my battery died in the process of wrapping this. So all I did was continue to wrap it around and add more of the Wicked Stick It to the inside of the mat. I wrapped it in tape to hold down the mat. Then I rolled some paper around it and secured it with more tape. And as I take this apart, you'll be able to see exactly what I did. Okay, so this is what she looks like. So I noticed that it did not stick in a few places. Like this little piece of heart right here. So what you want to do is take your blow dryer or your heat gun and put a little bit of heat there. And here I have some wax paper and I'm just going to press down on it. And that's because the Wicked Stick It didn't completely dry. Okay? So any little places that you have like that, just go around and check. Like here's raised up a little. And now just press down on it. Here I have a baby wipe just for demonstration purposes. You want to go in and just clean up any extra glue off of your glass. Okay, so now I'm going to put down some wax paper. And I'm going to put it right here. Okay, this time around I'm going to use some Mod Podge. Hopefully that's enough. I'm going to put my hand on the inside and just brush the Mod Podge on the outside this time around. Next I have some red glitter, some really fine glitter. And because this is felt, it's going to soak that glue up really fast, so you want to go ahead and put your glitter on there. Just like so. And you just keep going all the way around. Now I'm going to get my Got To Be hairspray and use it to seal my glitter. Okay, so the hairspray has completely dried. So later I'll come back in off camera and clean my glass again. Now since the felt is so thick, this looks uneven to me. So I'm going to add some diamond bling right in the center to even everything out. Okay, so I have 6 rows of the diamond bling. And put this right in the center. Just like that. That's so much prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom like that and then come back. And this is what we have so far. So honestly, you can use it like this as a vase or a candle holder. If I used it as a candle holder, I would use a tea light inside of a glass so we won't have the melted wax in the bottom. I'm going to add one of these Dollar Tree candle holders to the base. I've already added some bling here, and this one already had rhinestones on it. Put this upside down. I'm going to use some of my Gorilla Glue. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry overnight, and then I'll come back and let you see it on display. And as promised, here's my completed candle holder slash vase. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful and is perfect for Valentine's Day. And it can also be used in other occasions, like a wedding or celebrating a wedding anniversary. Again, it can be used as a candle holder or a vase. Please comment below how you would use yours. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please check my channel daily for new uploads. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.